Have you ever wondered if a single $100 bill could change the financial destiny of your generation? The world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, started his journey at just 11 years old. Today, his net worth is measured in billions, but his formula isn't a closely guarded secret. In this video, we are breaking down Buffett's blueprint to show you exactly how an average person can take $100 and scale it into millions. If you are searching for true financial freedom, these next 13 minutes will be the most valuable minutes of your life. Warren Buffett credits his monumental success to one core concept: compounding. He famously refers to it as the snowball effect. When a small snowball begins rolling down a hill, it gathers more snow with every revolution, eventually transforming into an unstoppable force. Investing works exactly the same way. When you invest $100 and earn a return, you don't take that profit out to spend it. Instead, you reinvest it. The next time, you earn a return on your original $100 plus the profit you just made. When this cycle repeats consistently over years and decades, it turns a tiny amount of capital into a massive fortune. It's why Albert Einstein reportedly called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. The second pillar of Buffett's blueprint is value investing. Most people approach the stock market as if it were a casino or a lottery ticket. They buy a stock today, simply hoping the price will magically jump tomorrow. Buffett calls this the biggest mistake an investor can make. When you buy a share of a company, you are not just buying a ticker symbol or a moving line on a screen. You are purchasing an actual percentage of ownership in a real business. Buffett focuses on companies with simple, understandable business models that fulfill everyday human needs, and those that possess an economic moat, a structural advantage that protects them from competitors. When you start with $100, your job is to find a business that will remain dominant 10, 20, or 30 years from now. This brings us to the ultimate question. If I only have $100 right now, how can I possibly buy into these massive companies? Fortunately, modern financial technology has leveled the playing field completely. Step 1. Fractional shares and index funds. Today, modern platforms allow you to buy fractional shares. This means you don't need thousands of dollars to buy a high-priced stock. You can buy $10 or $20 worth of it. Buffett heavily recommends that for the average investor, the safest path is a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. This fund automatically bundles the top 500 largest companies in America. By putting your $100 here, your money is instantly diversified across the most profitable enterprises on earth. Step 2. Consistency. Depositing $100 once and walking away won't build an empire. The core of the blueprint is consistency. You must commit to investing a fixed amount, even if it is just $10 a week, consistently. This strategy is known as dollar-cost averaging. It ensures that whether the market is up or down, your average purchase price balances out perfectly over time. This is the absolute hardest part of the blueprint to master: emotional discipline. Buffett's most iconic rule states, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." When the market crashes and everyone else is panicking and selling their shares at a loss, Buffett treats it as a massive discount sale and buys more. Conversely, when the market is hitting all-time highs and everyone is buying out of pure greed, he becomes highly cautious. To turn $100 into a fortune, you cannot let short-term market volatility dictate your emotions. Remember, Buffett built over 90% of his massive wealth after his 50th birthday. This game isn't a sprint, it's a marathon of pure patience. That is the exact blueprint that built one of the greatest fortunes in human history. There are no shortcuts, only discipline, unwavering patience, and long-term vision. $100 might seem insignificant today, but if you don't take action and plant the seed right now, you will look back in 10 years wishing you had started. Every great journey begins exactly like the young boy studying at the desk in this image, building the foundation for the future master investor. The choice to start is entirely yours. When are you taking your first step? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this breakdown, Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay disciplined and invest smart.